Hi, we're going to take a look at this picture graph and answer the few questions that follow. I will give you a chance to answer, and then I will write it so you can double check to see if you did it correctly. All right, so this is a picture graph, and a picture graph shows pictures, and it shows you information. Picture graphs are pretty easy to look at, and they organize the information so that you can see how many people chose strawberries as their favorite fruit. And I know it's favorite fruit because it has a title right here. So the graph shows me the favorite fruit of some people. So it says strawberries, oranges, and apples. And then the strawberries here show me how many people like strawberries. These oranges show me how many people liked oranges. And this apple shows me how many people chose apples. All right, so let's get started. Number 4, how many people chose strawberries? Okay, so you come here, you find the strawberry row, and then you count the strawberries. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 people chose strawberries. Now, this question is a little bit more interesting. Did more people choose oranges or apples? Now, they are not asking about strawberries on this one, so we can get rid of that one. We are looking for oranges and apples, only those two. So which one had more people choose that as their favorite fruit? Well, let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people chose oranges, and only 1 person chose apples. So which is bigger, 4 or 1? Yes, 4. So 4 people chose oranges. So we don't write the number 4 for this one, but we write the fruit, oranges or apples. And we're going to write oranges. Oranges. Okay, now it's a little tricky for me to write, so excuse my messy writing. Now, this one is a little bit more interesting than number 5. Number 6 says, did fewer people choose apples or strawberries? They want to know which number was less. So let's take a look. Apples, how many? 1. Strawberries, how many? All right, now let's get rid of this line because now we do want to see the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, or I can look here, 6. So I know 6 people chose strawberries. Now the question says fewer. Which one is fewer? Which one is less? So fewer means less. So 1 person chose apples, and that's the smaller number. So that means that that is less. So I am not going to write the number 1. I am going to write apples. Apples. And again, it's very hard to write here. Okay. Finally, or no, not finally, but now, next. How many more people chose strawberries than oranges? How many more? So they don't just want to know which one was more, chosen more times. They want to know how many more times. So let's see. Strawberries is right here, 6. And oranges is 1. I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to show you why. 1 for orange. So to find out how many more, all I do is subtract. So if one person chose orange, I take 6 for the strawberries, and then I just take away 1. And that tells me how many more people chose strawberries. 5. 5 more people wanted strawberries than oranges. So we know more people wanted strawberries, but we also know that 1 person wanted oranges. So if we subtract 6 minus 1, it gives me 5. The same thing, so these two are similar. How many fewer people chose apples than oranges? Again, go back and look. apples, okay, I can see it here, was 1. And oranges, and again, I'm going to put it over here. Oranges was, oh, I made a mistake here. Let's come back and fix that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oranges was 4. But I cannot subtract 4 from 1. I can't say 1 minus 4. I don't have enough. So I flip my numbers around because subtraction is always big minus small number. So I will write down how many people liked oranges. Oranges was 4. Give me a minute. So I will write 4 minus 1 person that wanted apples. So the answer will be 3. So 4 people wanted oranges minus 1 person that wanted apples. That makes 3 more people. 3 fewer people wanted apples. 3 fewer people. And so I just noticed I made a mistake here. So let's try this one again. I am sorry about that. So how many people wanted strawberries? 6. We did that one correctly. But how many wanted oranges? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will do 6 minus 4. And it will tell me how many more people chose strawberries. So 6 people wanted strawberries minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 that wanted oranges. That leaves 2. 2 more people wanted strawberries. All right, sorry about that. Number 9. All right, this one's my favorite. How many people were surveyed? And that just means how many people were asked in all. All together, how many people did they ask about their favorite fruit? So you can do this 2 ways. You can count all the little pictures, or you can count the numbers. So I like counting numbers. So I know strawberries was 6, and oranges was 4, and apple was 1. So, oh, I see a friendly number here. 6 and 4, take a look, 6 and 4, that's my 10. So 6 and 4 makes 10, plus 1 more makes 11. So how many people were surveyed? 11 people were asked all together their favorite fruit. All right, that's how you answer questions about your about these pictographs. Bye.